SPY again, 670 cents. And you can see the 9 is getting really tight. So because this is channeling, you're going to get a pop or drop within the next 2 candles. Let me show you what I mean. This and this. See the 9 right here? You see how it's coming up to the highest level? This is going to cause a pop or drop right here. Does everybody hear the sound of my voice?
Yes, Coach.
Thank you. Let me mark these really big so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like this is the 9 right there.
Forming a bull pennant.
Yeah, because it is sitting right in this. So pop or drop coming up. This candle or the next one got 48 seconds. And now I'm stacked up to buy long just because the trend is to the upside. So if I see this now clear this 670 cents, I'm going to long that. Not financial tax or investment advice, just my own idea, not for you to trade it. And then my stop's going to be right here, just below the 9. I'm anticipating a breakout is what I'm looking for. Now, last time it pushed through, it hit 693 cents and got hammered back. But this is a pop or drop here. There's a difference this time, right? Oh, look at here it is, this candle. It's literally in the last. I don't think it's got room for another candle. Did everybody see it? I'm
watching you.
Order filled.
I just longed it. I don't want to protect that trade yet. Even I'm up 200, but I'm not doing it. I want this to work. Giving this a little bit of wiggle room down below the 9. There she goes. Yeah, baby. Who's your daddy? There it is. Bye-bye. Hasta la vista. There's 1,000. Go, baby, go. Let's go. Come on. You got a little bit more. Come on. Did we nail that perfectly or what?
Filled.
There it is. 800 bucks on the trade.
I'm out $80.
Nice job.
Coach, what was your risk on that trade?
Risk would have been probably $300 to $400 of where I had it. So the trade was, I bought it right when it sat here, and my stop was right around here. Gave me this little bit of wiggle room, right? But I already told you, the next candle or two, and we nailed it. I mean, that's textbook, right? Good job, everybody.
And that was 11 seconds, Coach.
Yep, but it was exactly what we anticipated, right?
Exactly. It had nowhere to go, one or the other.
Nope. And our trend was to the upside. Therefore, my bias should have been more upside than down. I had a tight stop under the 9 area, which was protecting me, so very minimal risk. I knew once I got up to the 601.09, which is what I had marked, I better put in a tight stop, which I did. Collected the money. It pulled all the way back down. It hit support again at 670 cents. Stayed above it. Still bullish as long as you stay above 670 cents.